What's up, y'all? It's Brian from OpenSauced, and we just cut a new release, version 1.15, and this includes a ton of features that folks have been asking for the past couple months, so happy to finally show this. So let's jump right in. So what we're looking at here is the list of all Hacktoberfest repositories that are the most active in a list. This is a super helpful list for anyone to identify what repositories are doing a great job. And if you're probably already aware, you can paginate through this list and find your repository. Now, this could be extremely challenging if you're looking for specifically one repo that maybe had some contributions in your organization, which is why we actually made it easier for you to click to any repo name, and we'll filter down to just that repo. So now I can see insights on the GitHub community. I can see their contributions and their activity. In addition to that, it's also, the filter is global. So now we can see contributions specifically for GitHub contributors. Now, you're probably wondering, yeah, this is great, but I don't have search. I can't actually filter for my project just by clicking, which is why we also made this a little Easter egg for you to be able to identify your repo using the full name. It's going to be the org name and the repo name in the URL. And here you can see I can actually filter for specifically my project, which is OpenSauced Hot. And just want to show you this is also a global filter as well. So I can click on the repository page and still see that data, similar to reports and dashboard. Now, if you're interested in keeping along with our updates, we will cut releases every other week. And also we do have a new repo I want to share, which is the OpenSauced public roadmap. So this repo is public and accessible on GitHub. If you click into the link that's on the README, you can now see a project board that shows all the features we'll be shipping in the next year. And if you have any feedback on these features or ideas for other features, we also have another repo, which is OpenSauced/feedback. So this is a discussion board on GitHub where you can identify any repo that needs indexing that maybe you created very recently, or if you have any ideas and feedback or maybe bugs found, please open those up in the feedback repo. So with that said, appreciate you checking out the video and check out this feature and stay saucy.